Have you been having a hard time with your financials lately? Or perhaps you're looking for a quick way to earn cash without having to go through the tedious process of looking for a job, applying, and then acing an interview, before having to adjust to a new workplace and then get paid. Whatever your reasons may be, a lot of people lately have found a perfect alternative to a regular 9-to-5. Yes, in the day and age where we frequently use the internet for entertainment or information, we can also use it to our advantage to look for jobs that will give us easy money without having to do much effort. There is a variety of methods you can employ in order to be your own boss, even without any technical skills or previous experience. No hard work and effort are required. There are so many options you can choose from in order to make money online that today, I'm going to show you 3 easy methods to make easy cash. So stay tuned for this video and see whichever methods work for you, because I can assure you that all of them are 100% legit and are sure to make you some money at the side even without doing much at all. On today's websites, you can earn up to $20 to $30 for tasks that you can do in under a minute, depending on how many tasks you complete in one day or in the span of a week. You can probably even make $3,000, and this is all in one website. Imagine how much money you can make by incorporating all 3 websites that I will be showing you today all together. The earning potential is absolutely insane. What's more is that this is something you can do even with just a smartphone, so you don't even have to worry about sitting in front of a computer or worrying about having fast and high-tech equipment, because whatever device you have right now will work perfectly fine. No matter where you are in the world, you can do this method so you can get yourself a nice earning gig. Whether you're in Europe, Asia, or America, or anywhere at all, you can get started and earn money. No hard skills or prior experience is needed, just a bit of your time and effort. Comment down below what part of the world you're from, and let us know whether this method will work for you, because I can assure you that it will. These websites are also 100% legit. They are not an MLM, and it doesn't require you to sell anything to anyone. It's easy, simple, and just requires you a little bit of effort to complete tasks. Nothing too hard. We'll teach you everything you need to know about these websites. But before we begin, don't forget to like and subscribe to see more tips like this on our channel. Ring that notification bell and share this with all your friends, so that you and everyone else will know of this great tip to earn money online. These 3 websites that I will be showing you today are completely free. You can get started without having to pay for anything. No investment is needed at all. So you can follow along while watching this video and you'll be able to make money right away. Just make sure not to skip anything, or else you might get confused or mix up these 3 websites, because they are all entirely different. You can do one of them or combine all 3 of them to make even more money. On these websites, the payout is direct and has no delay. It's totally hassle-free. Just keep in mind the payment methods that each of these websites has to offer. Like most websites, they pay out using PayPal, so make sure you have a PayPal account. Otherwise, they offer payouts through cryptocurrency as well. So to get started, what do we need to do? The first website is called PicoWorkers.com. This website is well known for its micro-tasks, where you'll work as a freelancer on the website. However, this isn't the type of freelancing that will require you to do any extra effort or do projects that require skill. Instead, the website details everything that you'll possibly be able to do for them that doesn't need much effort. If you scroll down, you will see the list of things you can do to earn money, such as taking a survey, writing an honest review, testing an app, or writing an article. That's it. It's very easy. On their About section, they promote PicoWorkers as an online marketplace that connects freelancers around the world with business owners. So like I said earlier, this is something that's available for you no matter where you live. Aside from that, businesses who need other people to help them to support their work come to PicoWorkers, where they can hire workers for easy and quick jobs. Yes, they specify it on their own page. easy and quick jobs. And on this website, you can earn up to $5 per task when doing so. It may not sound like a lot, but remember, you can do this countless of time, so just imagine how much you can earn in a day if you do so many tasks. All you have to do is sign up on their page by scrolling to the bottom of the page until you see the Create Account button. The second website is called Earnably.com, where you will complete tasks in order to collect points. The more points you get, the more money you can earn. Similar to Pickle Workers, this website also requires you to just complete different kinds of small tasks in order to earn points. They show you the number of points that you can earn per offer, and they also show you how long it will take to do so. It's 100% easy to do, and you can start right away just by clicking on the sign up button at the top of their page. Finally, the third website is called StreetBees.com, which is a bit different from the first two websites because in this one, you will be receiving messages and you'll earn money by responding to those messages. Every once in a while, you might be asked to send picture every once in a while, but still, that's very easy task. StreetBees has worked with a variety of well-known brands such as Unilever, PepsiCo, and Sony Pictures. You can get the StreetBees application for your device, either on the Google Play Store or the App Store. Once again, it's completely free and you can sign up anytime. You will receive instructions on what to do and you'll earn money by just doing small things. It's very easy. So that's all for the websites we have for you today. The best part about this is that if one doesn't work for you, there are a lot of other methods that you can try out as an alternative. You don't have to give up. Making money online is very easy these days, so don't be scared to try new things. You won't lose anything. That's all for today. I hope you learned something from this video and that I'm able to help you find a new way to make some income online. As always, if you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Maybe share this with all your friends and be able to help out others too.